Hello everyone, my name is Aman Kumar. I am from Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand. I have done a BCA from BBMK University Dhanbad in 2023. After that, I was searching for a job. Then I got to know about eVision from my friend. eVision TechnoSurf is an IT recruiting and consulting company. In eVision, I learn about virtualization, window administrator, CCNA, ITIL, cybersecurity, and networking. My queries get resolved within 2 hours at eVision. The support team is really very fast and give assistance quickly. I got placed in SISL with 2.4 LPA of salary package. Trainer clarifies all the doubts properly and really like the assistance give to me. Thanks a lot all the staff member of eVision. eVision is awesome. It teaches you everything about networking in an easy to understand way. The teachers are really good. They help you with any question you have. You get to hands-on activity to practice what you learn. It's great place to learn about networking and get ready for a job in the field.